Alcohol-related accidents, social host liability rules and dram shop laws in Ohio. In Ohio, an injured person can bring about a civil injury lawsuit if a business or social host served alcohol to someone who caused a car accident due to being intoxicated. However, Ohio only lets an injured party file a claim under very specific circumstances. Ohio's Dram Shop Law. Section 4399.18 of Ohio's Dram Shop Law lets an injured person file a lawsuit if the injuries they sustained occurred on the vendors, the person who served the alcohol, property, and the injuries were caused by their negligence. They can also file a lawsuit if the injuries occurred elsewhere but the vendor sold alcohol to someone who was clearly intoxicated, or they were under the age of 21. Ohio's Social Host Liability Law. Section 4399.18 of Ohio's Dram Shop Law only applies to vendors who have been licensed to serve alcohol. Those who give alcohol to their guests at the private parties cannot be held liable under Ohio's law. However, if the host gives alcohol to a minor who is under the age of 21 who causes a car accident and injures someone, then the vendor could be held liable. Time limits and damages. An injury claim that involves alcohol is a civil lawsuit. What this means is that the lawsuit needs to be filed by the injured party. In cases such as these, the plaintiff, the injured person, will file their case with the court, and the case will be filed against the individual or business who gave or provided the alcohol. This person or business is known as the defendant, and if they are found to be legally responsible for the injuries that the plaintiff suffered from, they will have to pay the plaintiff some money. Some of the damages that are typically sought in car accidents that involve alcohol include the defendant having to pay for loss of earnings, pain and suffering, medical bills, lost or damaged property. In many personal injury claims, the lawsuit or claim has to be filed within a specific period of time known as the statute of limitations. A social host liability claim or a dram shop claim needs to be filed within 2 years of the date of the injury.